Hello guys, in this video I will try just to show you an example of when to enter to a trade, and in both ways, for the professional and for the beginners. Okay, this problem is very important. Okay, now you see in this stock it's called ESL. Okay, you see this big trend here beginning from, let's say, $80, it goes to $19. Okay, now I will ask you a question. Where do you want to enter here? Okay, you want to enter here, right? Okay, but the problem is that most of the beginners, they enter here. Now, why is that? Why the beginners, they try, when they see the trend, they like it, they like the trend, okay, and they think that the trend will continue, which is a possibility, it's no problem. But the problem is that the trend is all visible, and when the trend is too much and visible, short sellers come each time to short the stock. If they find other sellers, the price will go down very quick. Okay, and this is what happened to most of the beginners. Okay, they leave the track, they leave this trend from the beginning, going up, because they don't see this stock. Okay, no one will tell you, okay, buy here. Okay, no one will tell you, but you discover this stock because of TV or because of some friends, but you discover the stock late. Okay, when you discover it late, you are happy to see this trend and you say, oh, this trend is very good. Okay, and you think that this trend, you will have another trend the same as this, and it will be like a very long trend. That's why you buy from here, you buy from the top, and you don't know that it's maybe the end of the trend. So what is the solution? The solution is to find a way to enter here. Okay, now for me, I used the resistance line, which is here, or you can use this resistance line here, because there is one here. You can enter from this candlestick, or you can enter from here. Okay, which is the same, it's only 1 day or two. Now, it's not just any resistance line that you can do that. There are some kind of stocks that you can do, some others you can't, and this you should need a strong strategy to do that. Okay, so suppose that you would try to hide the trend. Now you, as a beginner, when you see, let's say we take this, we remove it, we remove this. Okay, now when you see this stock like this, okay, you will never have the idea to buy this stock. Now why? Because you don't see any trend, and you like to see a trend and then you trade. Okay, and then few days later, here, okay, you see that the stock begins to go up. It go up, it go up, it go up. You don't want to buy at the beginning, because this is psychological. Okay, you don't want to buy because you are scared to do the trade. And since you are scared, this will stop you from doing any trade, especially the good trades. And then after a few days, few weeks, you see the stock going up, going up, going up, going up, go up, go up, until it reaches here. All this. And then maybe you see in TV they speak about this stock or this company, they say it's a very good, nice company and something. And maybe CNBC, maybe chat rooms, maybe, and you decide to buy because you want to follow the others. But the problem, this you don't begin the trade when it was here. You don't follow the professional who begin here to buy long. But what you should do, you left the trend until it is clean and clear here, and then you go to buy in this section here. Now what will happen after, this is most of the time is the same. You will have let's say here a big correction. When it is a big correction, if you buy here like 109 and it goes to 96 or 95, you lose too much money. And this is this is how you trade. That's why you lose a lot of money. This happens with almost all the stocks. This is a real problem, okay, that you should focus on. And when you see a trend, when it's a very long trend, think twice before you do a trade, because maybe it is the end of the trend. So find stocks that are going up and then buy them. Don't buy at the end of the. And you told me, for example, who tells you that it is the end of the? No one knows. But it's better to buy from the beginning of the trend than to buy, because here the risk reward is minimized when it is here, okay? But when it is here, the risk that the stock go down is more, okay? So thank you very much for watching. This is just an idea on how to enter a trade. How do you look at the chart and which point do you enter? You should have a clear strategy on how to enter and how to exit, okay? Don't follow other people. Don't see the chart that is a very large trend and then you want to enter, because maybe it is too late, okay? So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask.